Just give us a call. Honestly, we will go through any sort of scenario we can go through with you, and we'll point you in the direction that we know that we can get lending for you.
Yeah, but because the big myth is, when you're employed by someone, well, it's pretty straightforward. You either qualify or you don't. We can't
do much with it.
do much with your income. When you're self-employed, there's many ways to skin that cat. Whether it was with tax returns, pay slips, BAS statements, and actually I prefer looking at self-employed because we can get a bit creative and look through different, we've got 60 lenders on our panel. They don't all do the same thing.
Yeah.
This is our power to see how we can, package you and present you to a bank in a little neat package that they like and say yes to, right?